Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My channel is the Teen Family Squad, and today I'm about to give you guys a tour of my project apartment. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we are about to start the apartment or the project apartment tour, and we'll be starting from inside. So this is what the inside of my door looks like, guys. Okay, so we're gonna be heading out. So I live on the 5th floor, guys. Guys, we have 3 sections. We have A, B, and C. Here you have it. This is the outside. And we have the B and C section. So it's A, B, and C. Okay, guys. Here we have it. We're in the elevator, guys, and we're heading to the 5th floor. Guys, I'm a bit nervous doing this video, so bear with me. We're gonna go to the 5th floor. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Lock my door. So here you have it, guys. This is what it looks like from the entry of my apartment door, which I showed you guys before. There's a door to the left. Usually what I do, I keep some storage things in here where I use for my project. I use these usually for my projects that I do. And guys, to the left you will see there is my kids and their sneakers, and I have a big old mirror here saying hi. Yes. So as you walk in, this is what the area looks like, guys. Excuse the barrels. Okay, and we're heading into the kitchen area. Guys, my light is not working, so I have to get that fixed. These bags here, I usually keep the empty water bottles. So guys, I have my small freezer. I don't have anything much in here right now. I have to go grocery shopping. Okay guys, and if you look in the fridge, there is not much that I have as well, because I have to go grocery shopping. Okay, here you have it. There's not much, guys. I'm running out. I have to go get groceries. I have the kids' snack and their little ramen. So I have my microwave, guys. And my countertop. This is my son. He loves this Play-Doh. Okay. have my stove to the right. If you look into the cupboards, you will see I have just a few things remaining. If you look into the cupboard, it's the, you know, cups and stuff. In this area, I have some pots. Guys, just a few things, you know, some spoons. I forgot to show you guys over here as well. You know, there's not that much in here. So guys, here you have it. This is my kitchen area. Sorry for the lighting. And my washing machine. So guys, moving on, this is the right. This is my bedroom where my son and I stay. So guys, you would see that I have a few things in here. I do customizing items. So this is my bed. This is my son's bed. This is his little gaming area. Guys, excuse the areas. Okay. The laundry basket. This is our area where we keep our clothes. So my son, you know, most of the stuff is his. So guys, there's not that much to see at the moment. Yeah. So moving on to the living room area, guys. I guess here you have it. Guys, it's really gloomy outside, so it's, you know, a bit dark. Please excuse the lighting. So guys, we have our karaoke set, our stereo, our bookshelf, our TV, and guys, here you have it. This is the couch area. All right, this is the dining area where we sit and we eat. So there you have it, guys. I also have a divider where sometimes if I feel to pull these curtains, I usually do. So you have a little privacy in the living room area. Moving on, I'm going to my first daughter's room. Here you have it. My kids, they have their vision board and their schedule. My daughter, she also does YouTube. It's the Team Family 1. If you go to our channel, you will see all of the other channels there. And this is her area, her computer. This is where she does her magic. She is into Legos. So this is what she does, guys. And her area with her TV. And guys, yes, if you do see cameras as well, I do have cameras throughout the house. Yes, so this is my daughter's sleeping area. Okay, her dirty laundry basket, some more of her Legos, guys, and her closet area. There you have it, her closet area. Moving on, we're gonna head into my second daughter's room, and to the left is her bunk bed. to the right is the first closet. She has 2 closets, guys. Here you have it from this angle. Her dirty laundry basket. Her vanity set. She's a girly. And then you have her area where she does her work. And she also has a channel. It's content with Ariana, I believe. I have a sewing machine here for her. We haven't really done anything much. Guys, this is the schedule. Her vision board. It's not ready yet. And this is her second closet area. Okay. So guys, as I said, this is their room. Not much, but they are contented and happy with their room. Okay guys, moving on. These closet guys will, don't worry about it. This is the bathroom area. Okay guys, as you walk in, this is what you're gonna see. This is my bathroom. Okay, and when you part the curtains, guys, this is what you see. I usually store some toilet paper, some napkins, things like that in here. Guys, my bathroom needs to be worked on. Okay, there needs to be some work done. And I tried to put some silicone here, guys, and I used the wrong silicone, so now it's going black, I guess. And this is the bathroom. So guys, there you have it. That's it. We're stepping out, guys. So it's not much, guys, but it's very simple. And guys, we try to work with what we have. Thank God for a roof over our head, and that's most important. Okay guys, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment, guys, and thank you very much for watching. Peace out.